Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I ordered some Tombow glue the other day because I was doing some embellishing envelopes, and I realized that all my glues had dried out. So I decided to get some glue because I want to start doing some journals. I've got so much paper and scraps of stuff. Okay, so I've got the Mono Multi liquid glue, and it's 2 ways of gluing. I think this is the fat part and this is the little part. I'm going to try anyway. They've got the blue one as well. See, this will be so good for journaling. Look at that. To make some junk journals with a modern twist, because I've got a lot of modern designer paper pads, so I will use those up as well. So I've never used this Tombow glue before, and I'm hoping that I'll be happy with it because it's to seal paper for my journals. Let's have a look. I've been clearing out my craft room as well, really trying to get some kind of organization. Oh, I don't know if I needed to take that off. I'll twist that. Okay. Oh, yeah, nice. Nice, that's the fat part. Okay. So twist that back on. Oh, and twist this one. Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. And I can get right to the ends of the paper. Yeah, brilliant. Lovely jubbly. So I'll get on with that and see how it works out for my paper crafting. I usually use the tacky, the Aleene's clear gel tacky glue, but it's gone wrong. I'm going to have to get a needle to it, and oh, I've got some fabric glue as well that I can use for when I'm putting fabric on the journals. I don't think that's dried out, it's just stuck at the top, so once I pick that off and clear the way, that should be fine. And it's fabric glue, high performance fabric glue. And sometimes I use the glossy accents as well to glue. That's really good for gluing. So yeah, my tacky glue has gone up the creek, and because I've got experience with the Aleene's tacky glue, I just thought I'd try the Tombow. They've got the other one, the blue bottle, and that one is the clear one, so I'll look out for that, because I'm finding it pretty hard to get it in the UK. When I look around, I couldn't really find it, so I will definitely try and see if I can find some more of that. But I really want to get busy with some journals. I need to use up some paper, stacks of paper that I've got here, and also I've been cleaning out my craft room as well. I've been sharing some stash with the charity shop. I've been giving them some stuff as well. So that's it really. It's just I came on to show you the glue, and I'll see if I can find some of the blue one as well. So you can let me know in the comments below what you think of the Tombow glue, the mono one, this one, if you use it to make your paper crafts, and that's it. Yeah. So on that note, I will bid you a goodbye and see you next time. Bye for now. Bye.